So this is going to be a complete tutorial on VZY. I'm going to be showing you some of the templates that you could be using, and also I'm going to show you how you could be using the power of AI to build this website. So if you want to get VZY at any time during this video, you can click the first link in the description in which you'll get my exclusive bonuses. So in AppSumo, you could be getting it for a lifetime deal and you get a 60-day money back guarantee as well. And also it's best for freelancers, marketing agency and web designers. And it's an alternative to Squarespace and Wix. So it has got quite a lot of features in the app itself. So let's have a look at the license tier. So the first license tier gives you only just one basic site. So that's all you're going to be getting with the license tier 1. And the license tier 2 will give you up to 10 basic sites. Then the license tier 3 is going to give you 25. And the license tier 4 is going to give you 50 pro. So remember guys, the 3 and 4 is going to give you all of the pro sites. So that's a good thing, but it really depends on what you actually want. Maybe if you want just one site, then you could be going with the license tier 1. So based on what you want, you can go ahead with that. So now let's jump into the dashboard of VZY. So it's pretty easy to use. The interface is really simple. So you could be either clicking on templates or clicking on new site or create new site. So you could be pressing on any of the 3 buttons. It's going to take you to the same place. So let's go ahead and click one of them. So you could be either typing in your industry or you could manually select any of the template. So you have portfolio, in which you get all the portfolio websites, and the personal templates, you get all the personal templates. Then you have the business one, and this will give you all the business. Then you have the links section, in which you get some templates. So let's just go ahead and select the category. So you get a lot of categories here. So from accounting, accommodation, then actor, advertising, affiliate marketing. So you get quite a lot of industries here. So probably all of the industries would be given here. So you have even YouTuber, writing, women's fashion. So you could be going with literally any industry you are in. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and try it. So as you can see, I have given the brand name as internet marketing. Then I have given a small description that I promote software products that are very useful for my audience. And also the language is English. So I think that's the only language you could be going with. So you could be doing that and you can generate the site. And you could be selecting the theme as well. So you have 4 of them. Maybe let's go with this one, or maybe the black. We'll try the black. And let's try it. So as you can see guys, my website has been generated. So there is the brand name I have got. So if there is anything that you want to change, there are probably a lot of things you will want to change, and also you could be easily changing that. Maybe the internet marketing here, maybe you want a logo. You could easily upload an image easily. So let me just show you that. So you could just go to your desktop and maybe I'll upload my logo itself. So you could be doing that and you could easily do that, and you could be uploading your logo easily. And if you want to change probably the text here, you can easily change it. Maybe you want to change it, make it unleash. You could easily do that. You could be changing anything you want. Maybe you want to change the description. Maybe you want to delete this one. You could easily do that. And if you want to change this one, and maybe you want to write discover or new softwares. So you could be doing that. And if you want to change this particular stock image, what you have to do is just click on it. And you could be changing the image. So this is the image, just click on it. So either you could upload manually through the computer, like I just showed you, or what you have to do is you could go to Unsplash and just basically click on any of the stock images. You could search also. Maybe I'm going to click on laptop. So let's just go with this one. So as you can see, my image has been changed. So you could be doing this. So if you want to change even this, you could be easily maybe changing this para, and you could just change anything you want from this. So basically like that, you could be changing the entire website, and the pricing also you could be changing. So just click on this, and it is $69. Maybe you want it to be $100, and the sale price also you can activate. Maybe it is $47, so you can give like a nice discount. And also you could be literally connecting anything you want. You could be editing anything you want, and also the social media icons as well. You could add your username and the Twitter account and your email account for your contact. So that's basically how you could be doing this. And you could be adding more pages if you want. So right now I have the home page and the 404 page. If you want to add more page, maybe you could be doing that, but now I am in the free version, so I couldn't be using it. So you could be easily doing that as well. Now there is a post section in which you could be creating your post. So you have to go to publish and just click on create a new post, and you could be creating a new post, and you could be changing the title, the heading, and also add a new image. Maybe you could be changing the name into a new software has been released. I could be typing that. So you could be doing that. And also there are different products that you could be adding. You could also connect your Stripe account. And let me just show you. So in the add products, you have downloadable offers, you have link. So the meeting, ticket, and bundle is going to be coming soon. But for the sake of the video, let's just go with download. So you could be easily changing the titles. So you could easily change the title, maybe a new software product. So let's go with the product itself. So it's VZ, and the description, the best AI website builder on the market. So like that, you could easily create all of this. And maybe if you want to upload an image, again, you could be uploading anything you want. So let's just go with this. Let's go back. And also you could be adding in your benefits. Maybe you could add in it's flexible. Oh, I'm sorry, I just deleted completely. Okay, wait. So I can type in here flexible. So like that, I can keep on writing all of these benefits. So it's going to come here. And also about the downloading. So you could be downloading the software over here. So it can be 0 MB to 100 MB. So if there is a PDF that you want to do a download or anything like that, you could be giving that. And also talking about the pricing, you could keep the price, $25, and the sale price maybe, yes, $10. So you could be seeing this limited discount, and the currency could be USD or, okay, currently it's only USD. You could be going with USD. Then comes the checkout section. So here in the checkout section, you could be seeing the first name. You can edit that as well. So the last name, the email, the phone number. So if you want the phone number, just go ahead and give it a tick. And the default is set to United States, but you could be setting to any nation you want. Now let's go back and we check the checkout. Now let's look at the success. So you could be telling what your customers after they complete the purchase. So you are going to give this particular message. So you can edit that if you want. And also there are some normal settings. So this is the normal settings that you could be doing. So there is also some site settings. So these are pretty much very basic settings that you could be doing. Now let's come to designs. So designs I've already mentioned. So there are quite a lot of design. What you could be doing is you can change the design based on what you want. So currently I am in the black one, so I could go with the blue one. So this looks good. So you could be basically going with any of the following if you want. So that's how you change the design. and you can customize it as well manually. So you have the colors in which you could customize, and the fonts, the corners, the lock and width, you could be changing any of that. And the contacts is going to come once you start getting visitors on this particular website, and you can have a look at all of the customers here. And also this is the analytics. So you have the day, week, month and all. So all of the analytics also you're going to be getting once you start getting traffic. So this is the settings I've already mentioned. So you have the page settings in which you could be doing the SEO and social, and also the custom code you could be typing in, and also the site, you have some basic features which also you could be doing. So it's pretty much a very useful AI website builder, and it's very easy to manually edit. So that's the great thing about it. I really like how it works, and you could easily manually do anything by just clicking on what you want to change. If you want to change this, just go ahead and click it and change the image, or maybe you want to change the text, you could be doing that. So that's basically it for this video of VZY. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you want to buy this particular software, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you'll get my exclusive bonuses. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.